Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get us this Uber.
Alright.
Damn, we got a Haitian nigga, Gene.
Yes. It's been a long time, man.
The fuck? They say he 3 minutes away.
Shoot, man.
This guy at, man.
Bro, call that
It
nigga, man.
Uber don't work like that, man.
What you mean?
You can't call him. They said it was 3 minutes, now it's 20 minutes away. Like, what's like,
Bro.
I don't understand. Gosh. See, I knew it wasn't.
Bro,
I knew it wasn't gonna be on like American time. It was gonna be Haitian time. I should have known.
Bro, I'm hot.
Shut
Bro.
up.
It's too hot.
Hello. Hey.
Yeah, where are you, dude? Like, we've been waiting here like 20 minutes, man.
I'm coming. You don't see. Tell me, I can't hear you, man. What you said?
Bro, tell him it's hot, bro.
Like, it says 20 minutes. It's not 3 minutes.
But when yes.
I'm 3 minutes away, man. I'm coming. I'm here right now, right there. The thing said 3 minutes, man. Come on, man.
Dude, like, just please hurry up, because it's hot.
No. Hurry the fuck up.
You tell me what? Hurry. I'm gonna hurry up for you. Yeah.
Bill, tu ba la et Bill. Oui chérie. Bill, de l'eau à ma chaque là. Chacun nous vient là, il doit se quitter vider de l'eau. Il va pas fermer de l'eau, il va pas ouvrir de l'eau. Si nous savons, regardez gras. On va finir ça.
Dang, man, where this guy at, man?
The tassel's not good for me, man. I eat too much tassel, man. Oui. Bill lumière. Ça dit, regarde go c'est Bill lumière. Oui. Et pas on se lève, non? Toi. N'importe toi. Allez. 100. 28 $. Ça. Lumière. You know what? As a matter of fact, safe.
Yeah, that's him right there. Yeah.
Bro, that nigga took long as fuck.
Real, man. Alright, he here though, alright. Uber?
Yes, that's me. What's up, man?
Alright.
It took long as fuck, Jack.
Dog.
4811 Cathedral Terrace, please.
Cathedral Fair. I see it. It's on my GPS, boy. You don't need to tell me,
No
man.
problem. I'm just making sure you know.
Hey,
What?
Hey.
What are you
What?
playing, man? What is this?
What's on American music, bro?
Oh,
We in America, dude.
oh shit! I don't know. You can choose your own radio station name. This is my music. You don't pay no damn bills in my damn car, alright?
I'm paying for this. Oh, hey, I'm paying for this Uber though, right?
$5 not shit. Give me another $5. I change it. Motherfucker.
This guy.
Heck, bro.
You don't want that family hurry the fuck up? I'm going to slow down for you. Oh, you got black white people in your neighborhood? Ah, you rich, man. Look at all these cars, man. Just drive. Hey, man, you're not gonna talk to me like that, man.
Just
Dude,
drive,
come on, I'm just trying
man.
to get to where I'm
Bro,
going.
you already late, man.
Come on, man.
I'm lit.
Are you serious?
Because I was taking a shit. You tell me hurry the fuck up. I hurry the fuck up, take my shit.
This guy.
Nigga, you don't do nothing here, man.
This guy.
I put the damn
Hey,
gas
look,
in my
look,
piece of shit Mitsubishi
I
for
just
me
wanna
to
get-
drive you.
I just want to get to where
$5 don't do shit. You pay $5. That's not gonna go far.
Don't complain to me.
Yeah. Don't complain to you. Complain to your mom?
Hey, man, I didn't disrespect.
Hola. And don't make no noise in my head. Nigga, I'm trying to look for the shit. What? You said it? Okay.
Keep driving, man.
Shut up! I can't see! I hear nigga.
No,
Right
keep
here.
going, keep going. Little bit.
Little
Yeah,
bit.
this house right
This house, pull up.
This one.
Get out, man.
Damn, nigga, too. Bro.
Get
What
out.
you said?
Get out.
What?
Hey, man.
But what?
About time. Way too forever.
Have a good day, man. I love you guys, man.
I love you too.
Yeah. Oh hell no. You. Oh shit.
L'Éternel, s'il vous plaît. Pas quitter me craser, monsieur l'Éternel.